Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialu.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to use Facebook video ads to drive traffic to your landing pages or your website. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Alright, now let's jump into this. And a lot of people think that when you use Facebook video ads, it just means more video views. But that's not true. You can use videos on Facebook and create ads to drive traffic to your website and also for conversions. So let me show you in this video, we're going to do two things. First, I'll show you an actual campaign that's running. We're using videos on Facebook to drive traffic to promote one of our promotion. And then number two, I'll also show you the step-by-step process if you want to use videos to drive traffic to your blog, to your website, to your sales pages, or to your landing pages. Now, let's jump right into this. So first of all, here I am logged into one of my ad managers, and let's look at this campaign right here. So here's the active campaign that's running. So we're promoting Independence Day sales for one of our clients. This had 91 clicks, so obviously it's a traffic campaign, website clicks. And right now on this campaign, we're paying 16 cents per click. Now let's go inside this campaign. So the objective of that campaign is selected as traffic. And don't worry, in just a few seconds or minutes, we'll create a brand new campaign and I'll show you where do you select objective. Now, so we're inside the campaign now. This is the ad set level. So let's actually click on edit so you can see everything. So at the campaign level, you'll see it's the campaign objective is selected as traffic because we want Facebook to give us clicks or traffic to that landing page. And then let's look at the ad set level. This is the audience we have selected for this client or for this campaign, the right audience that we strongly feel that this is the audience who's going to respond to this campaign, right? And it's going to depend, it's going to be different for your business, for other people's business, for every campaign and every business, the audience that you will select inside ad set will be different. And it really depends on your goals as well. Now, we're not going to talk much about the audience in this video today, but I want to go to the third level, which is the ad level. So campaign level, ad set level, and then third one is the ad level. So when you look at the ad, so you saw it's a traffic campaign, and so here's the page that's selected. We don't have an Instagram account. And then look at this. So we're using an existing post. So we'll talk about that too. When you create Facebook campaigns, so you can use an existing post which is on your page, or you can create or upload a brand new video. So you can do either one of those. But here is the ad that's running right here. So let me move it up. It's a video that's running, and there's a button, learn more, so people can click on that button and go to that landing page. But we're using traffic objective, and we're using a video, right, as a creative. So let me now, here's the landing page where the traffic is going to. So now what I want to show you the actual ad. So I'm going to click on this icon, and let's open view on Facebook desktop. So I'm going to click on that, and it will basically open the ad for us. Here you go. So here's the actual ad that's running, and let me play the video for you so you can see. Here's the video. Still refreshing, and you see it's creating a lot of engagement for us. So we're using a video. Basically the background is we're promoting the 4th of July. 4th of July is coming up, so we're promoting 4th of July sale for this campaign. So we're using video to highlight some of our products, right? And then what we want people to do is actually go to this landing page so they can learn more about the specials and deals and stuff like that. So we're using this video. It's 30-second video, and we're targeting the right people, and we can tell that, or we can because based on the engagement we're getting, the right type of people are seeing our ad. So people are inquiring or talking to us about our products. That's exactly what we want to see when we create Facebook ad campaigns. Because if you have the right objective, right ad, and if you select the right audience, what will happen is you will see engagement in forms of questions from the audience, and then you can engage back with them and also send them direct messages. All right, now here's the copy, and when people click on when they click on learn more, or this link, they're going to go to the same place. So let me do that. So let me show you what the landing page is. So here's the actual landing page, the 4th of July sale on appliances and electronics. Very simple landing page. And it's not an e-commerce store, so people cannot buy online. They have to go to the actual store. They can look at the products and pricings, and then they can call, or they can go to the store to actually make the purchase. So it's not like a true like an e-commerce setup yet. That's what we're actually moving towards that. So a lot of this is going to be different in just coming weeks. But right now, people can look at the product, the price, and then to actually make the purchase, they have to go in the store or call us. All right, now, how do you do this? So we're using Facebook video ads to drive traffic, and we're promoting to our landing page where we have our promotion, or it could be anything. It could be your blog, it could be your sales page, your product pages, whatever it may be, whatever you want to promote. Now, the second part of this video is I want to show you how you can do this, and it's actually very simple if you follow the 3-step process that I always talk about for Facebook ads. Step 1, campaign. Step 2, audience or ad set. Step 3 is the ads, right? So let's do it one by one, or step by step, I should say. So to create a new campaign from your ads manager, we're going to click on this green create button. So let's do that. And then here's the interesting thing. Make sure you pick the right campaign objective based on your business objective. For example, sometimes our clients want, or we create campaigns for conversions. So in that case, we don't select traffic, we select conversions, because that's what we want as a business. That's the business goal we're trying to achieve. If you want more leads, so then you can select lead generation. More messages, you can message. So that's very important, because a lot of time what happens is, mistake a lot of people make, they'll select video views from here because they think that we're going to create a Facebook video campaign, and they get more video views, but they're like, oh, we're not getting traffic to our landing page or conversion. Well, that's because you selected the wrong objective. So it's very important that you select the right objective on step number 1. So for the purpose of this demo, let's do traffic, because we want to drive traffic to, let's say, our landing page, our website. And then I'm just going to say test campaign, and hit continue. And at the ad set level, again, we won't go through the details, but do make sure you have the right type of audience. You target the right type of audience for your campaign. Because let's say if I want to sell, fashion products, I have to have in the audience section, I should have people who are interested in fashion, or ideally, actually the ideal audience I always say is start with your warm audience. So that's your customer list, email list of your customer. You can upload that to Facebook and build a lookalike audience. You can also retarget your website visitors. You can retarget people who are engaging with your pages already. So I call those like warm audience. So before you go after the cold audience, ideally, and I know it doesn't happen in all the cases, because it depends on, because sometimes we have clients or people come to us and they want campaigns, but they have even like no website, and it's a brand new sort of business. So in those cases, or brand new, the first time they're running campaigns on Facebook, so there's no audience history. So in those cases, you go after the cold audience. But either way, the point is, before you create the campaign, make sure you know what audience you're going to target, and it's the right audience for your business and for your campaign. So all right, so let's go. For the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to say, since the ad that you saw was a furniture store, so I'm going to say let's do hypothetical business. Let's say the business is based in Dallas, Texas. There you go. So I'm going to target Dallas city. And then I want to target people who are likely to buy furniture. So I'm going to target IKEA. Why? Because I know IKEA is a huge furniture store. So it's kind of like, targeting the fans of my competition, right? So that's the strategy I'm using here. And I can also, furniture, home improvement, IKEA catalog, home appliances. So there's a lot of like so once you put something like a couple of interests in there, Facebook suggests you a bunch of other that you can see. Other thing I'll mention, you really want to ask yourself. Right now it's selected like 25-mile radius, but ask yourself, what's a realistic, how much people are going to drive or how much people do drive to come at your business. You want to take those things into consideration. All right, now let's skip over to a daily budget. It really depends on how much budget you have. $5, $10, $20. We've done campaigns from $1 a day to even $100 a day. It really depends on the objective or the business goals. All right, let's continue. The main thing I want to talk about is the ad, because in the step number 1 in the campaign level, we selected traffic. You could also select conversions from the campaign objective level. And then at the ad level, this is where you select the video. So first of all, I want to select the right type of page, and also make sure if it has the Instagram account, and if you do want to run ads on Instagram, select that. And here's where the magic happens, right? So you have 3 options: create ad, existing post, or markup. So we're going to focus on, so when you create ad, and let's say you have selected image or video, basically when you come down here, you can click on the media, add video, and you can upload a video from your computer. So if you have a promo video or any video that you want to use, you can upload it like this. Now let's go back. What we typically do, not always, sometimes we do have videos that we upload, but in some cases we look at or click on existing post. So what this means is we are going to select a post from this Facebook page, and Facebook page is already selected here. So I'm going to come back here. So right now we have use existing post selected. So now I'm going to click on select post, and now I can see all the Facebook posts on this page. And since I do want to select a video, so make sure you do, you may be able to, I was seeing if it has an option of videos and images, but it does not. But since we want to select the video, and I know this is a video right here, so I can hit continue. So I'll select the video, and then you'll see now here is the video that we just selected, right? This video the thumbnail has a lot of text on it, so it's not ideal for Facebook ad. If you want to use a video in the Facebook ad, make sure the thumbnail is really, really catchy and it doesn't have a lot of text, because otherwise Facebook may reduce your reach in the newsfeed. The other thing I will do is come down here. So captions are already added. Call to action, but I would strongly recommend that. And you can do, here's a bunch of ones that you can use: subscribe, contact us. I depend on your campaign. Sometimes if you want to send people to a landing page where they can download something, a PDF, then maybe download makes a lot of sense. Let's say I want to leave it to learn more, and this is where you will add your website. There you go. And then let me make sure I have the right one, because it will update the post. Here's the right. I think I did have the right spelling. There you go. Update post. There you go. So I'll do its magic, and now you'll see a learn more button. And that's it. So once you're happy with everything, you can review it if you want, and then when you hit confirm, your Facebook ad will be submitted for in the approval process to Facebook. So this is how you can use Facebook videos and Facebook video ads to drive traffic to your website, to your landing pages, to your blog, and also you can use the video ads for conversion campaigns as well. In that case, you'll just select conversion objective at the campaign level. So in summary, video ads are not just to get more video views. You can do a lot of other benefits. You can get a lot of other benefits and drive a lot of other results, such as conversions or traffic, using Facebook videos on your business pages. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, hit subscribe. Also like this video and share this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.